When you are looking to apply for a place on an architecture course at university, you will often be bombarded with information regarding the portfolio of work you are required to submit. From almost every angle, family, friends, and educators will have an opinion about which work you should include and in which format and size. However, you may need to take a step back and consider exactly what you are being told by the schools you are applying to and make sure you meet the requirements they have for submitting your work. Applying to college or university. Once you have decided to apply to college or university, you are going to find yourself worrying about the standard of your artwork within your architecture portfolio. The college and university portfolio differs from that created by a professional architect, as you will not have any designs to show which are complete. Instead, you will have to look through your artwork and try to tell the story of how your work has progressed over the course of your academic career to this date. Show your graphic design skills. An architect is much more than just a person who designs buildings and various structures. Instead, most architecture courses and professional practices are looking for well-rounded individuals who have a large amount of general knowledge to aid them in working in different areas. The portfolio you create should be based on the requirements of the school you are applying to and fit into the size and format requirements they publish. Most schools now accept both traditional paper submissions and those submitted electronically, giving you the option of either form of submission. Whichever form of portfolio submission you decide to use, the overall look should be uncluttered and professional. Only include your best work. Even when you have begun to assemble your work for your portfolio, you need to make sure you are constantly editing your work and including only the best work you have produced. A shorter, high-quality portfolio will catch the eye of educators more than a long version stuffed with mediocre work and a few flashes of brilliance. If you have an interest in other media, such as photography or video, you can include this work, as it will provide a glimpse into your creative side. Include all required work. In order to obtain a place on an architecture course at university, you will often have to complete a required test or task to show you can work to the requirements of the school you are applying to. This should form a major part of your portfolio and be submitted in the format and size dictated by the school you are applying to.
If you're just starting to design a portfolio and are trying to come up with a basic layout, we offer a number of architecture portfolio templates to save you time. If you're either in school or recently graduated, use coupon code STUDENT at checkout for an additional 15% off.